Hi everyone, my name is Janora and today I am modeling for Ghanaian photography, and I just want to remind you guys to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page at Faces by Janora. Thank you for tuning in.
Charlie, what's up? Welcome back to Ghanaian photography. My name is Donalabee. Today we'll be doing a one light setup. It's a portrait different from what we've been doing so far. It was usually about headshots. Today we are doing a portrait. Our model for today is Janora, and she's a makeup artist also. So you can check her out on Instagram, Faces by Janora. I'll add her link in the description so you can check out. And oh, if you haven't subscribed yet, this is a good time for you to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't get to miss any of my uploads. So today we'll be using the light box from Popo Cameras. This is a 120 centimeters. It's a deep octa. It gives a very soft light and it can light a wider range. So since we are doing a portrait, something up to her knee level, that's why I'm using this so it can cover it up. And now we've angled it down as usual, just like the sun. Every lighting situation has to mimic the sun. The sun always comes from the top at an angle. So that's what we'll be using. Now we are using a very small backdrop here, which is it's like a foam core, or they have a name for it, but usually you see it online as a foam core. And then as we move along, I'll show you something. So stick around. All right. So today we'll be using my Nikon D750 with the Sigma 2470 2.8. Somebody will ask, why am I using this? Because I don't want to be too far from my subject and I want something wide and portrait at the same time. That's why I'm not using the 70-2. I could have used that, but I'll be too far away from her and I won't be in frame for you guys. So that's why I'm using the 2470. We are using the Godox X1 transmitter, and as usual, capturing straight through Capture One. So we'll take our first shot and see what we got. Boom. Okay, so this is what we have. As you can see, it's very lovely. And this is shutter 1/200, ISO 100, and f8. These settings seem to be my default settings for my studio sessions. So you'll get to a point I'll stop mentioning them. Now, this is well lit, even though I think the light is a bit much on her face, but as you can see, I told you the size makes it possible to have the light go all the way, almost the whole body. We can use this same softbox to light a full body. See, but today we are just doing the portrait. So let's go ahead and get a couple more shots. Give us some nice poses. Awesome. Good. So you can just go back one step. Okay, cool. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that smile is cool. Okay, so now that she's gone a bit farther from the light, we have it smoothly on. So as you can see, this is just one light, and we have it lighting her whole body. There are no harsh shadows anywhere. See? So what I told you guys I was going to do, I'm going to do right now. So just sit back and enjoy. Now, this, I have it as a V-flat. So it's two put together. So I can open it up and use it as a V-flat. If you don't know what a V-flat is, just hold on, you'll get to know. So let me just open it up like this. So the back is black, so I can have negative fill. And then I have the white side for a few. Okay, this is what we have now. So we'll have you in here. So it's now like a box. See, hold on, let me bring it forward a bit. I'm right here. Okay, so you can go inside. Good, not too much, just come forward a bit. Good, just there like that. We have our V-flat here. Now, what this is doing is, this part acts as a reflector, a giant reflector from top to toe. So just see the effect it will have on the image. And boom. So you see, if you look at this and then the previous image, see the dark side on the left here, on our left here, has been cleared by adding the V-flat. So basically, this is what the V-flat does, using just a V-flat. Now, if you have a giant reflector, you can use it, but the V-flat makes it much more interesting. So what we can do is we can use this as something like a box. So she will just be inside. We'll try that also. Okay, let's take a couple of shots. You know, smile for me. Yeah, give me that happy go girl pose. Awesome. Yes, so now let's have her inside the box. Let's create a V kind of thing, just as the name suggests, V flats. So something like this. Now you can be in the middle. So this is a V flat. So we want to create some depth, like she's, you know, the walls where they join. That's something that we've created. So let's take a couple of shots and see what we can get. Yeah, lovely. Let's see what we have. See, this is awesome. Let's keep it up. It's like you're in some alley and, you know, doing some alley chatting. Good. Yeah, give me that. Keep it up. Yeah, cover girl. Good. Awesome. Lovely. Okay, so as you can see, this one light is lighting her full body. Keep going. Yeah, awesome. Boom. And boom. Let's keep it up. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. Boom. Awesome. See, we are getting lovely images from just one light and a V-flat. So guys, I can't stress the importance of a V-flat. You should all try and then get it. If you need some, just get in touch with me. I'll get you some, yeah? But come with some small money, you know. Jinora, let's get a couple of shots from here. Good. Boom. Like that. Awesome. Good. Boom. So I think we are good, right? We had an awesome session with our model stroke makeup artist, Jinora. As I said, you can check her out on Instagram, Faces by Jinora. I hope you've learned something new. Let me know in the comment section if you've learned anything new or if there's anything you would want to add.